Breaking news, everyone. According to Daniel Cormier, John Bones Jones is missing a bone. Hey, Britt Johnson here. Thanks for tuning into the Fumble for more awesome sports news and commentary on all your favorite UFC fighters. Make sure you click subscribe and join the notification gang for updates on all the latest. Although UFC 214 isn't for a few more weeks, it looks like John Jones has already won the matchup. At least via social media anyway. He hit up Daniel Cormier with the 1-2 on Twitter this weekend, posting a few not-so-nice tweets. So Cormier screenshot all the tweets and posted this, writing, "And they say I'm obsessed. Dance for me, boy. Keep commenting on all my shit. Watch me work. Show those insecurities. In your moment of judgment, you pay close attention to the ones that's handing out the punishment. You got 2 weeks. Play my game. P.S. You have a limp and horrible leg genetics." Okay, guys, so what do you think? How does Daniel even know that? Let me know what you think in the comments below. So, of course, Jones had to clap back. He tweeted this. "So I have a limp d. When's the last time you spoke with the missus? What grown man comments on another man's d anyways?" Well, that's what I was about to say. And, of course, he sealed that with the middle finger emoji and then went on to say this. "I have zero respect for you, bitch. You're going to really hate me by the time I'm done with you." Okay, you guys, I cannot wait until July 29th for this fight. Who else is excited to see this fight, and who do you think is going to win? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you click subscribe before you go.